everyone! Let's learn English together!
Today, we talk about family.
Let's go! Hi, Reak! How many people are there in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Who are they?
They are my dad, my mom, my older brother, and me.
What is your dad's name?
My dad's name is Van Socorn.
What is your mom's name?
My mom's name is Lang Thiara.
Cool! Let's go to class. Okay, let's go. What is your dad's job?
He is a teacher.
Cool! Yeah!
What is your mom's job?
She is an accountant. What is your brother's name?
His name is Van Ritherich.
How old is your brother?
He is 8 years old.
What is your dad's phone number?
His phone number is 093659165. 093659165.
What is your mom's phone number?
It is 0166011823.
Great job, Reak!
Thank you! Great job, everyone! You learned about family. Practice every day. See you next time. Bye-bye!